In less than a minute, I'm going to be doing a live shave with a 1920s Ever-Ready single edge solid brass razor. The first time I'm going to be shaving with this, I picked up some vintage blades, Star blades, same company, American Razor Company out of Brooklyn, New York. And they have a really interesting history of, they're an offshoot of the Gem Company. The Star Super Edge, that is going to be the blade today. Doing this with one hand. Move that a little bit forward and then gently close it. Okay, friends, I've lathered up with some of this Nivea Sensitive Shave Gel. Really nice product, the Nivea, with a bristle brush, boar bristle brush here. Locked and loaded here with the single edge Ever-Ready razor. First time doing this on my face, whole face. Gonna be really careful with the angle here. I've read that this is like the closest thing to straight razor shaving you can really get in a razor like this. Taking it real easy on this one, friends. Okay. Oh yeah, this you gotta use care. I can already tell that already. Just right off. After doing some skin stretching on this one. Let's see if I can do this without getting a nick. Oh boy, that's got some response to it. I don't know if you can hear that scratchy sound. I can. That's very close. Very close. I have about a week's beard here, you may have noticed. If I were shaving with my double edge right now, I'd have to be rinsing this blade like a lot. It would clog it up. You hear that? I don't know if you can hear that over the fan. Wow. This thing means business. We're going to try to do this with no weepers, no cuts. First time ever. Can't get that hair. There we go. Mustache, friends. Careful. Ow! Got a little pull there. It's sharp. I mean, for a blade that's 100 years old, these blades were made 20s up to the early 30s. I mean, these blades I showed you are 100-year-old blade. I did strop the blade a little bit on some leather to remove some oxidation. Not much. This is a tricky spot right under the nose, I'll tell you with this guy. I did catch it a little bit. It's more challenging to keep the low angle under the nose. The chin. Chinny chin chin. Another challenging area. Ow. Adjusting the angle as I go for safety. Boy, that's close, friends. You gotta be careful with this guy. Got a neck, thin skin. This is where we get weepers, right guys? Okay. So far, so good. I tell you, that 100-year-old blade is doing its job. Scratchy scratch. There we go. Oh, stretching that skin. We'll lather up a little bit more and do a quick pass over everything. So far we don't have a cut. I'm actually kind of amazed. Another good shave gel is the Neutrogena. I really like that too. Oh man. I haven't had a shave this close, man. Like probably ever. Hey, this could be good practice for getting into a straight razor. I've got a few old ones from the 20s. I got a Genco, and I have one from Germany, an M. Young, and I have, I don't know, another Ontario Genco, but I have to hone them up. I tried shaving with them, and they need honing. I can actually feel my skin burning a little bit. That's how close it's getting. A second pass, very light second pass. I don't go in heavy with these second passes. This is just to make it as close as I can, and I am feeling my skin burn on this second pass, I will say that. So I'm not gonna go crazy with this, because the next thing is gonna be a weeper. And we all know that, right, guys? Rinse out and carefully remove the blade. Wash that out. Whew. Oh man, that is a close shave. My favorite aftershave, friends, witch hazel, affordable, soothing, does the job, that burns. Conditions the face. So what do you think, guys? We don't even have a weeper. You can see my face is a little on the redder side. I've been blowing my nose a lot lately. That's why that's red right there. But I'd say that's a good shade. I think I look better than I did before the start of this video. Please post your comments below. I'd like to know if you're shaving with a vintage single edge razor. Man, that is the closest shave though. Wow. That really is. You can feel it. You can just feel how close that is. And this is not something to play around with. Go really easy with your angle, find your angle. Being for my first time, I'm actually pretty happy about that. I wasn't really anticipating that going that well. I was just hoping I could just do it, period. But yeah, that's fun to step back in history, 100 years, and shave with the tools from 100 years ago. Thanks again for checking in. Look forward to reading your comments below. You shaving crowd, I know this is a niche video, and I'm happy to upload it, and I hope to hear from some of you.